Are twinkle star? Yeah.
Twinkle, twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above, was
The
so
world so
high.
high.
Like a diamond, आधी दे दे आपका.
धीरे नहीं समझ आ रही
I
आपको.
know, for the Bible tells me so. Let the words to him belong. We are we.
Happy birthday.
पापा ने जोर से कर दिए खींच के मेरा paper, bits of paper lying on the floor, lying on the floor, bits of paper. This is the day that the Lord has made, that the Lord has made. And the slowly make on slowly make on and the glad. This is the day that the Lord has made. And loud the noise in the love. This is the day.
Children, so today we will learn rhyming words. What we will learn? Rhyming words. Okay? By dance and fun. Ready? Yes. Say ready. Yes. Okay, let's start. जब भी वो गलत बोलेंगे तो आपको क्या करना है? Freeze. Okay? Start.
Everybody up! Let's rhyme and exercise. When I say two words that rhyme, exercise. When I say two words that don't freeze each time, exercise, rhyme and freeze. Exercise, rhyme and freeze. Let's walk and listen. Dog, frog.
Say also.
Dog, log. Dog, pig. Dog, hog. Stretch up high, left and right. Listen, can, man. Can, cow. Can, fan. Can, ran. Let's jog. Listen. Bat, hat. Bat, bug. Bat, cat. Bat, ball. Good job.
Okay children, so today we will learn about a or a and. What we will learn? Okay? And to whom I will ask, only they will give the answer. Okay? Okay? Adi, stand up. What will come? A tree or an tree? A tree. क्या आएगा? Okay, let's see it is correct or not.
That's correct.
Correct.
We say
A tree. What we will
a
say?
tree.
Good. Correct. Angelina, stand up. What will come? A violin or an violin? Huh? A an. Okay. What will come, Veer? Okay. Let's see.
Violin. A or an. You're right.
Very good. A will come. Why A will come? Because this is consonant, vowels. नहीं है ये. ठीक है? A, E, I, O, U. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Okay? और जहाँ vowels आते हैं, there we are putting A and. वहाँ हम क्या लगाते हैं? ए एन. जहाँ वॉवल्स आते हैं बेटा वहाँ क्या लगाते हैं? ए एन. सो व्हाट विल कम? अ वायलिन. एंजेलिना, व्हाट विल कम?
A violin. Owl.
Okay, now who will give the answer? Let me see. Advait, what will come?
A or
A and. Okay.
an. That's right.
Good.
We say an owl.
What will come? An owl. What will come? Advait, stand up. A and क्यों आएगा बेटा? Why A and will come? Very good. Because O is the vowel. O is the good.
Iguana. A or an.
Okay. Agreement, stand up. What will come? A and. What will come? Let's see it is correct or not.
You got it. We say an iguana.
What will come? An iguana. Advik, stand up. Oh, sorry. Agreement, stand up. Why an will come? क्यों आएगा an? Very good. और I क्या होता है बेटा? Vowel. Good. Very good.
Rabbit. A
Okay. Who will say the answer? Oh, just stand up.
or an.
What will come? A. Why A will come? Huh? Very good. Because it is not a vowel. R जो है वो vowel नहीं है. Let's see it is correct or not.
Good job.
Very good. What will come? A rabbit. Okay?
We say a rabbit.
Okay?
Octopus.
Okay. Octopus. Keshvi, stand up. Keshvi, what will come? A and or A? Huh? A and. Why A and will come? Very good. Because O is vowel.
A or an.
Let's see it is correct or not.
Well done. We say an
An octopus. It is correct. Okay, beta?
This is the day.
This is the day. Okay.
I got the
Is the day. Is the day that the Lord has made. Hold your hand again. Is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in कब से टाइम है? प्रेयर टाइम है ये. अब
Go.
लास्ट हो गया आने आपको सीधा बैठने के लिए बोला था ना बेटा प्रेयर के समय इट्स अ वेरी बैड थिंग आन्या सिट स्ट्रेट यस
हो गया पापा आपको नहीं लेके जाएंगे हमको लेके जाएंगे
लुका ये लुका
कैसे डांस कर रही है आन्या पापा के साथ? फिर से
उधर चली गई उधर ओ पेट निकाली खाली
भूख को लग रही है चाय में जोर से भूख लग रही
कोई हिसाब नहीं रखती पेट ही देख लो चलो ये देखो भैया का पैंट पहन के घूम रही है तो भैया आएगा बहुत गुस्सा होगा नया पैंट है
अब बताना नहीं बोल रही
है चालू हालेलुया
अरे भूख लगी भाई
समझ नहीं पेट दिखा रही हो फिर भी समझ नहीं आना वीडियो बना रही हो मत देखो देखो खाली हो गया पूरा पेट मसाज कर करके सब निकाल दिया मम्मा ने सांस लेते हुए सांस छोड़ते हुए आराम करो ऐसे ऐसे हाथ माथा सिर पे हाथों पे माथा रखो देखो ऐसे जैसे दादी कर रही है लंबी सांस सांस रखे रिलैक्स छोड़ आप मेरे सामने बैठो तब देखो दादी कैसे करो आप मेरे सामने बैठो ऐसे चलो ऐसे ऐसे फिर ऐसे करके इधर छोड़ दो दोनों हाथ नहीं करते दोनों हाथ नहीं करते
पापा देखो पापा
थ्रो दे उधर नहीं उधर
पापा पापा एक्सरसाइज
हाँ व्हाट यू डूइंग
पापा
यू एक्सरसाइजिंग
पापा सुनो पापा आपका हाथ दिखाओ आपका
Strong girl.
देखो इसने स्क्रबर ढूंढ लिया नेचुरल शो मम्मा's है
पापा
नेचुरल स्क्रबर उसने निकाला दादी देखेगी ना ले लेगी पत्थर ही आला दादी को ये पत्थर देना है ठीक है दादी को स्क्रबर चाहिए होता है लाओ देखो कितना रीना फील करो ना इसको कितना अच्छा है ये एकदम नेचुरल स्क्रबर एड़ी वगैरह तुमको घिसने के लिए गंदा
अच्छा
हो जाता है बहुत अच्छा है
पापा लुक
थ्रो
पापा एक्सरसाइज
स्लोली
दूर अपने ऊपर पानी नहीं आना चाहिए ऐसा फेंको
आन्या मम्मा आन्या
आने देखो उधर पापा क्या बोल रहे हैं
आन्या how are you Anya how are you
से आई एम गुड
are you enjoying this sport
yes
what are you throwing खीरे क्यूकम्बर
व्हाट इज दिस आदि दूध नहीं करा
हैं
व्हाट दिखाओ मम्मा
आपको स्माइल नहीं करना आप हट जाओ बेटा
आजा बेटा भैया
आन्या
क्या है आन्या इसमें?
मैगी
ओ ओके
और बॉडी
थैंक यू आन्या। कीवी लिया है आन्या ने मम्मा के लिए।
अच्छा
वाओ
दिखा दिखा क्या क्या
अच्छा मम्मा के लिए स्पिन। ओ मम्मा के लिए बॉल भी लिया आन्या ने। वाओ सो क्यूट। ये मेरे लिए
अच्छा
ये
आदि भी एक लेके आया आदि भी एक लेके आया आन्या
ये?
आदि भी एक लेके आया
ये आदि भैया के लिए स्पिनर। आन्या आन्या अरे आन्या
Where did you go? Anya, here. Is this called ponytail?
No,
What is that?
choti,
Huh?
choti,
No, this is ponytail.
no choti,
This is ponytail, beta.
no
Look at here. What is that?
choti,
No, choti. What is that?
choti.
No,
Yes,
ponytail.
no ponytail now.
Then,
Choti.
are you sure?
Yeah, sure.
No, but it's ponytail.
No, this is
Acha, who told you choti? Tell me.
the daddy.
Huh? Nice. Say ponytail.
Say ponytail,
Say.
ponytail,
What is this?
ponytail.
Yeah.
No ponytail now
Why?
because
Huh?
choti.
क्यों
क्योंकि अच्छा लगता है
क्या अच्छा लगता है
चोटी
नहीं ponytail.
ponytail. पापा आपके बैठूंगा मैं
Adi, what did you say?
Papa, give me injection. I want to play with Anya. Doctor.
Anya, what do you want?
What's repair?
Hmm?
What's repair?
You want me to repair your watch?
Yes.
And what do you want?
Injection.
Why you want injection?
I want to play with Anya. Doctor.
And what you want?
Repair watch.
Will you guys leave me to let me work? Hmm?
No.
No? Why?
Because I want injection. I want to play with Anya. Doctor.
पीछे पड़े हुए हैं
What's
लोग
repair?
अटेंशन स्पान कर रहे हैं इन लोग का
What's repair?
Watch repair. आदि
Don't injection.
इंजेक्शन आपको कैसे दूं? आदि हाँ Up. What?
Injection do. Papa, what's the injection do?
Pirania?
LBC में है ना
Huh?
कीड़ा था.
Today
Yes,
it was worm, like insect.
yes, insect.
Which color insect, beta?
Yellow.
Yellow color insect.
Yes.
So did it bite you anywhere?
No,
Then?
this is cute.
Oh, it was cute.
Yes.
Insect was cute.
उसके पेन में आया था ना, पेन में
Yeah.
वो जो लोग सिस्टर लोग देख रहे हैं,
Huh.
तो उन लोग है ना काट लिए.
Oh, the insect bit sisters or sister bit insect?
Not big.
So वो काटे कैसे बेटा आपने देखा?
ऐस करके.
They bit that insect?
Yes, insect.
Oh, and where is insect now?
पेट में.
Whose petu? Stomach?
Yes, stomach.
Whose stomach?
Papa, see.
Whose stomach beta?
कीड़ा one. हाँ.
And where are sisters?
Go.
They're gone.
Yes, they're gone.
Where?
LBC.
So there are no sisters?
No,
It's empty?
it's empty.
And where is insect? Do you want to go there
No,
and find out insect?
no. वो मेरे को काटेगा.
It will bite you.
Yes,
What?
with him bite you me.
But you can protect yourself.
No,
Why?
because
Huh? You're small.
itchy.
Oh, itching.
Yes.
This insect is causing itching?
Yes, itchy.
Oh. So
Bone.
bone.
Yes, bone.
Okay. You're saying thorns.
Stones.
Yeah, thorns.
Fingers.
Sting.
Sting.
Okay.
Stickers.
So it will itch all over body, right?
Yes.
So what we can do, Anya, now?
Body.
So what we can do now?
उसको है ना कचरा में है ना फेंक देंगे.
In the garbage?
Yes, in the garbage.
Do we have to throw it?
Yes, throw it. आपके हाथ में आ जाएगा तो फेंक देंगे. ठीक है?
Okay.
इसको बंद कर दो.
Kisko?
इसको
Why?
because
I'm recording you.
बंद
Can I record you?
को close.
No, can no, not that one. Can I record your video? Can I?
Yes.
You have any problem?
No.
So can I record you? Can I put on WhatsApp or YouTube? Can I? Anya, can I put?
Yes.
Is there any problem? Okay, what did you have for breakfast, Anya? Anya, what do you want?
Open this.
What do you want?
Open this.
You want this?
Yes.
Will you share with me?
No.
If you will not share, I'll not open.
Open.
What?
Open.
What?
Open this.
This. So will you share with me?
No.
Are you a good girl?
Yes, I did.
You're my daughter? You love me?
Yes.
So will you share?
No.
से कौन सा चाहिए आने को, पिंक वाला या ब्लू?
Which one you want? Pink?
Are you sure? Or blue? Are you sure? Okay.
You're sturdy? Strong?
आने
Okay.
नहीं दिखी।
Anya,
ये ले लो.
Anya, are you going to school?
Yes.
Preparing for school, right?
You like this color?
Books are ready. Okay, crayons and
Chalo.
and what else? Slate,
Dress.
chalk, dress, shoes, everything you got, right? Chocolate.
That is not part of your packing, okay? That is not part of your preparation.
खोलो ना.
Shall I open?
Yes.
You want to have?
Yes, I have.
But if I open, will you share?
No, I will not say we'll give it.
Really?
No.
So if you will not share, why should I open?
Because I like this.
You like this?
Yes.
How much?
Too.
Huh?
I like.
Huh.
आप नहीं खाना.
I will not eat.
No.
So you will eat fully?
Yes.
Alone?
Yes.
Full?
Yes.
Alone?
Yes, alone.
Not giving anybody?
No.
Is it good? It's not good. Sharing is good.
Yes.
So will you share?
No. I will not share with.
Are you sure you will not share?
No.
Okay, with Mama?
No.
Papa?
No.
Adi?
No.
Okay, I'm going to give it back. I'll give back to Auntie.
No.
You want?
It's a fire.
Will you share?
No.
I'm not opening.
Open.
Sure, these copies are good. Oh,
He has been using these.
these only.
Anya? Anya?
Classmate वगैरह की तो नहीं चाहिए.
क्या हो गया?
Abhi nahi.
क्या हो गया पापा?
Will you share?
No. I will share.
Will you?
No.
Will you share with me or not?
No.
So I'm not going to open.
Open now.
I will not.
Open, open, open.
If you share, I'll open. If not, I'll not open.
Open.
Huh?
Open.
Should I?
Yes,
Confirm? Keep your shoes down. Will you share? Will you share?
No.
I will not open.
Open.
Auntie,
No.
will you share?
Yes. No, no. I will not share.
I will not open.
Open.
What do you want? What do you want? मम कैसे करते हैं? मम कैसे करते हैं? मम कैसे करते हैं? मम कैसे करते हैं? मम ऐसा कर. हाँ ऐसा.
मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा वतन शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन इसके वास्ते तेरे सारे हैं मेरा मन मेरा जन एवटन 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 जालिमन 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 कंधों से मिलते कंधे कंधों से कंधे मिलते हम चलते ऐसे कंधों से चलते अब मैं साथी भी कहना माँ तुझे सलाम ओ माँ तुझे सलाम यारा वारस आने जाने देखे नहीं है कहीं भी तेरी जैसा कोई ही नहीं है मैं गया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी जो मेरी साथ थी सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत प्यारे बसरा प्यारी माँ तुझे सलाम ओ माँ तुझे सलाम यारा वारस वंदे मातरम भारत माता में जान से प्यारे जिससे सदा आना और ठंडी खट्टा में जीना मरना इस पर जीना तब परिदाना जय हिंद जय भारत.
Are you done?
Done.
Anything else you wanna say?
No,
Enough?
no.
Oh.
Give me small card.
Where are you going?
Park.
You're going park?
Yeah.
With whom you're going park?
There.
Who is going with you?
Papa
And?
and Mama
And?
and Adi
Okay. And?
Bua
And?
and Dali.
Okay, you're going, right? And then? Anya, see what you want to do in the park, beta? Anya, what do you want to do in the park? Anya, what you want to do in the park? What will you do there? What will you do there in the park? Tell me. You're not going park?
I'm going
Why you're going park? Tell me.
because I like it.
You like it? What do you like in the park, beta?
Bowling,
Okay.
fruits,
And swing,
seat.
swing, jhula. You like it? Slide
Savera.
and slide.